Good afternoon. It's August the 10th, 2015. Time to recap today's trading activity. Pretty strong market to the upside today. We are at resistance in this 2100, 2110 area right here. Got a pretty good chance to hold up a day or two down, a day or two up. So right now the market's got to take out 2100 and change that from resistance to support, and it hasn't done that of yet. But this screen tells us that we're buyers. Buy weakness to see if we can extend the range and take it higher. Looking at the F2 screen, definitely a very strong P. The easiest trade to see is failure to get through 2100, so sell failure to take out 2100, 2103. And then we got these highs up here at 7, and then the second trade would be selling 5s to 7, sell 2. This is for Globex. For tomorrow, we'll open it up to 2109, 2111. On the buy side, I want for Globex, may have to take a 95 to get in, depending on what happens this afternoon, but would like to buy the 90-92 area. And then 85, 87 for buy 2. So this market's pointed higher. We are at resistance. It's got to come out to hold the length in their positions. And I don't see that we have news that'll do that. Financials just got clobbered today, but we haven't broken. And tomorrow is a 3-year auction. We have an inside day today that tends to suggest trading range. And we'll play for that on the F2 screen. Definitely a B, definitely working lower. Volume is low in the particular distribution. So I think we're going to head lower, but I think the 3-year will support the market. Don't have a lot in news tomorrow. NIFB, small business, at 95, reasonably strong. Productivity, plus 1.5. Unit labor costs, plus 0.5. Last month, this unit labor cost just exploded the market to the upside because it was at the low end of the estimate. And then wholesale trade at plus 4. So the direction of the median unit labor costs, I guess, will be tomorrow's news event. Okay, 3 to 7 will be sell 1, and back to 11 to 15 for sell 2. On the buy side, I'm going to go a little bit lower, but I don't think we break because of the 3-year auction. Buy 1, and buy 2 will be 17 to 21. Okay, the knob spread came in a bunch today. Tomorrow, and supporting the 3-year. Remember, Thursday it's a 30-year auction. My guess is the knob spread will show some stabilization and be what supports the market. So again, pretty strong selling, multiple distributions lower, and we have probably, you can see right here, this 2-letter ledge held up. So we'll make it a 21.17 buy. And then this area right over here, at 5 to 9 buy 2. I'm just catching, James, I'm just catching the distributions as they set up and go. And then on one of them I was showing you that the financials are ready to move every 2 hours, right? But you can come in and split them up to suit your trading. And 3 to 7 sell 1. Actually, let's make it 31 to 03. That's sell 1. And 11 to 15 sell 2. What market are you looking at, James? And which one did I split? I know I did it on the financials. We'll do it at the end, then remind me before we get done. Okay, crude oil. Actually, gold. Gold was pretty strong. They attribute it to no interest rate increase in September. And we got up, so right here, sell 1 is 5 to 7. Sell 2 is 9 to 11. On the buy side, the breakout came at 99, so we'll make 98 to 99. Buy 1, let them get stops below 1100. And then 94, 96 for buy 2. Okay, looking at crude, pretty strong market. You can see we got a pretty clean break up here at 45. So stops above 45. So we'll make 45, 45 and a quarter, sell 1. At 50 to 75, sell 2. On the buy side, 44 and a quarter, 44 even. Then 43, 50, 43 and a quarter, buy 2. 45 holds as resistance. I do think we're going to get to 42.50 before it's all said and done. Retest the lows. Hope not for my buddies in the oil patch. High quality crude still has a ready market. It's just prices are a lot lower than they would like. That happens. This is the 4th bust I've gone through in the oil patch. And those that aren't over leveraged, those that are very, very conservative, those that have a balance sheet, they don't like what happens to them for a couple of years, but 18 months is the minimum that I've seen the washout in crude oil. And that'll be December of this year. So we've been in it 18 months. So 18 months, 2 years usually gets rid of any and everything that has to be gotten rid of. KF1 higher low, higher high. Suggest buying weakness to see if we can extend the range. And we'll see what happens. We'll have a P on our F2 screen. So my feeling is it'll be sold in London because I don't think it was the rally was based on all that much. So 40.50 sell 1. Sell 2, 75. On the buy side, 9.75. And then where we were this morning at 109.50 for buy 2. And that's it for August the 10th, 2015. Jim, I'll be with you in just a moment.